Hey dolls, so I am back. So this is going to be a wig review behind the hairline. Really cute. I did a flip over method, really simple and easy. You could definitely do this and just kind of throw it on. It's real easy, minimal effort. Stay tuned. Okay dolls, so this wig is from Wowangel and this is a company on AliExpress. Quality bomb. I'm just gonna go ahead and say that right off the bat. Like even the inside of the wig, which you will see in just a second, like the band that actually holds the wig on, A1. Like it has the little grippy things, like how a bra, like a strapless bra has those like silicone filling things that help the bra from sliding down. It has that on the band on the inside of the wig that holds the wig on. Like bomb. The quality is just bomb. Really love it. Okay dolls, so this is how the wig looks fresh out of the box. You can see the really pretty curl pattern of the wig, and I'm going to show you the lace and how the inside of the wig looks and everything like that as well. So the wig is constructed very nicely and the quality is bomb. Also on the strap, it has silicone on the inside. It was hard to show on camera since it is clear, but this wig is definitely made with great quality. Okay, so this is the bag that the wig came in, and then this is a 28-inch, and they did also include some combs right here in case you want to add some combs in if you want to do that. But I particularly lately don't really like combs. Like I just feel like they're kind of more uncomfortable, and this wig doesn't have any combs in it, so it would be great if you wanted to like sew this wig in or anything like that. It did come with a little pamphlet which just tells you like how to care for the hair and like how to measure it if you're curious about like the length and how you do it. Of course, you know, with curly hair you do have to stretch the hair out to see the full length because the hair springs up since it is curly. And then they also included some lashes. This is cool and different because most people just include strip lashes, but these are actually, you know, like individual lashes where you can do you some lashes. I'm not sure what length these lashes are, but yeah, that's really cool. And then they also included this little bag with some goodies on the inside. They actually did include a strip pair of lashes as well. So girl, if you don't want to do individuals, they got you on a quick strip lash. If you don't want to do the individual lashes, they got you on a strip lash as well. So that's great. I love me a strip lash. And then they also did send a melting band. I love the colors because y'all know I love pink, so it's pink and black. And then on the other side it's pink. So super cute. You know, you can like kind of wear them either way. And then it also comes with some HD wig caps, which I didn't need a wig cap with this kind of look. And then you also get an edge brush, and then also this hair tie, which is actually really cute. It has that little piece, so super cute. So those are all the items that come inside of the box. Now with this wig, super easy. I just wanted to wear it in a flip over method with my hair out to give that natural sew-in kind of look, and I think that it looks really good. I actually just had a quick weave in, so I just took that down without actually taking my braids out and kind of just was able to do this really easy. So you don't need to have a whole lot of hair out. I actually tucked in some of my hair that was out with my quick weave. So stay tuned if y'all want to see. The hair is really full, really nice. And yeah, I will link the curl pattern down below because I don't want to say the wrong thing, but it is like a nice tight curl, and I feel like my hair actually blends into this hair really nice. Like right here you can see some of my hair right there, but like the curl pattern meshes well with my hair. Stay tuned for the video to see me install this hair because I'm gonna go on and on. Like this company is giving. I've never worked with them before. The quality just seems bomb, and you know, it's new and fresh. So yeah, stay tuned for the video. Okay dolls, so I'm going to get into cutting off the lace and installing the wig, but I did want to let you dolls know that AliExpress is having their biggest sale of the year, and this sale will go through November 11th through the 17th, and there will be thousands of wig selections with up to 50% off. You can click the link in my bio to check out this sale. And I also have a coupon code for you dolls. The code is WOW60, and you can get anywhere from $200 off down to $60 off, just depending on what you purchase. And this wig that I have is from AliExpress, and this is from the company Wowangel. It is an HD lace with 5x5 closure, and also it is 28 inches, and it's 250 density as well. So it's nice and thick and full. So yes, definitely check out the sale. I will have the coupon code listed down below with all of the details for this wig and the sale that is going on now. So definitely check out AliExpress if you're interested. This hair is bomb. The quality feels amazing. And AliExpress has so many different companies and like just so many different kind of wigs and hair and everything like that. So definitely check out the sale. So as you can see, I've already put the wig on. Y'all have been watching what I was doing while I was telling you about the sale. But with this install, I did have a quick weave in right before this. So what I did, I just removed my quick weave, and the section that I had left out, I did use some conditioner. So I only had conditioner in my hair, so you won't really see me apply any other products to my hair other than adding this water. And then I also used some gel later just to do my edges and everything like that. So really simple and easy. Okay, so you can see what I'm doing. I'm just wetting the hair down and blending my hair into the wig, and I'm just using water in my spray bottle. I don't have any additional product or anything in the bottle, any conditioner, anything like that. So I'm just kind of brushing the hair back to kind of mesh everything together, and then I'm gonna go in and do my little baby hair swoops. Really simple. You can do something more dramatic or more simple, just depending on what you want to do. You can also definitely wear this wig as a regular closure wig, where you just apply the wig to your hairline like normal, and you can glue it down or wear it glueless or whatever you want to do. Or you could wear it behind the hairline. You can sew the wig on, like whatever floats your boat. I thought about getting it sewn in, but I haven't really committed to wearing like curly hair lately and having to get up every day and do the maintenance for it. I've been more so wearing like a deep wave type of hair has been working for me. So yeah, you know, but it would have been really cute as a sew in, but it did get cold here, so I didn't want to commit to that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Stay tuned for the outro and to see me finish up this hair. I think I have another part of the voiceover. Let's see. So yeah, I'm just gonna let y'all watch me continue to do this, and just play around with it to get it to look how I want. And then I'm gonna fluff the hair up and everything like that, and just kind of play around with the flip over, add some more hair flipped over. You can do less or more, however you want to do it, and just play around with it until you get it to look how you want it to look. I'm gonna let y'all just watch it, or I'm actually almost to the end of this voiceover, but yeah, I'm just gonna let y'all watch for a second to see what I'm doing. And we're almost done actually, so I guess I won't end the voiceover. But yeah, I'm just kind of fluffing the hair over or fluffing the hair out and just seeing what it's giving. And this pretty much is it, like really simple and easy. I'm gonna do some shots where y'all can see the full length of the hair and everything. And as you can see there, I did grab a little bit more hair to flip over because I wanted a little bit more flipped over. So like I was saying, you could do less or more just depending on what you're going for. So this is how it looks, and you could wear it more pushed back off of your face, or kind of like how I have it. And yeah, this is the full length of the hair. Really pretty. It falls like right on top of my butt, so it's a nice length, even though it is, you know, more of a tighter curl pattern. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Stay tuned for the outro. Okay, dolls, so this is the completed look of the hair and what I came up with. Really easy, like I said in the intro. And yeah, I just wanted something simple. Now, originally, I was going to actually have this wig sewn in. But I decided, you know, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the video for y'all so I can show y'all how I would do it, since I particularly can't sew in my own hair. Like, I could fix a little track or two, but I can't do my own sew-in. Like, I probably could do a wig if somebody else braided it for me. But yeah, so this is how the hair looks. I didn't have to wet the hair down completely, and I didn't want to sit here and have to wait for it to dry for so long. But I just wet the top and it blended in really nicely with my hair. And you can see how the curl pattern looks really, really pretty. And this is the ringlets. I didn't add any conditioner or anything, so it may look a little bit frizzy, but it's really cute. And yeah, if y'all have questions, leave them down below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, dolls.